Okay, so let's talk about the Vigenere cipher. I'm pretty sure I'm not spelling it correctly, but the idea is very similar to, or maybe I can define it as a substitution cipher, but now instead of working on one letter at a time, we are taking a bunch of a key that instead of being one value or letter, we are working with a key that is a bunch of letters. Now, the key can be, for example, C A B, for example. So in numbers, it's 0, it's A, B, it's in 2, 0, 1, right? C is 2, A is 1, E is 0, and B is a 1 in 26. Let's take a set of 26 values starting with 0, ending with 25, in Z of 26. So the cipher will take my plain text, so let's call it P, and let's call the text, I don't know, this is the text, okay, or better is hello world. Okay, now I want to create the cipher text, so I need to take it in bunches. So let's do it something more simpler so I can calculate it. So it's, let's take B B B A A A, no, B B A A A and D D D. Okay, so I can write it in numbers as 1 1 0 0 0, and D is A B C D is 3 3 3. Right. So what I do to get the ciphertext, what I do is like this. I take 1 1 0 0 0 3 3 3, and then I add to it. This is the encryption part, so let's call it encryption part. I add to it what I do. I add the key. So let's add to it 2 1 1 0. Now, of course, one key is not enough. It's just for the first three, so I again put the key, and this is for this one. Now again I put the key. I have just two letters left, so I have just this, and I calculate the result, which is in modulo 26, remember. So if something is more than 25, I need to get it back to 0, so it won't happen here. 3 1 1 2 0 4 5 3, and this is converted into letters is D B B, C A, 4 is uh, A B C D E, 5 is F, and 3 is A B C D D, which I didn't have any mistake. So this is the ciphertext. I encrypt it. Now the decryption part is very similar, but now instead of using the key to add, I am subtracting. So I take again the value of this, subtract from it this. Now it will be subtraction, and getting the result, which will be the plain text, which is this one. So I should get this one. Yes, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, and etc. Which is the plain text, and the plain text is this one. And this is how I decrypt the message. So this is the idea of Vigenere cipher. The idea is the key is a bunch of letters instead of one in substitution cipher. Thank you very much. If there are any mistakes or correction, please tell me. And of course, I used an example with that of 26. This is just the set I used here for the example. It's more general. Thank you very much, and that's it.